Hibiscus tea isn't just a beautiful ruby red drink. It's a powerful health booster. But here's the catch. While it can lower cholesterol, improve digestion, and even aid weight loss, drinking it the wrong way could backfire. Let's dive into 5 surprising benefits, plus a few hidden risks you should know. 1. Lowers bad cholesterol naturally. Hibiscus tea acts like a natural filter, blocking excess cholesterol from entering your bloodstream and helping your body absorb less fat. It also boosts liver function, making it easier to process and remove bad cholesterol. The result? A healthier heart and better circulation with just 1 cup a day. 2. Supports digestion and reduces bloating. Struggling with bloating or sluggish digestion? Hibiscus tea stimulates digestion, soothes the gut, and helps reduce bloating before it starts. It also forms a protective layer in your stomach, calming acid reflux and supporting regularity without harsh effects. 3. Helps with weight management. Hibiscus tea blocks fat storage, balances blood sugar, and reduces cravings, all without drastic diet changes. It flushes out excess water weight, making you feel lighter and more energized. Some studies even suggest it could help reduce belly fat in just 30 days. 4. Gives your skin a natural glow. Hibiscus tea exfoliates from within, shedding dull skin cells and boosting collagen production for firmer, more youthful skin. Its antioxidants fight aging, protect against UV damage, and improve circulation, leaving you with a fresh, radiant glow. 5. Supports liver detox and fat metabolism. Your liver is your natural detox center, and hibiscus tea helps it work more efficiently. It flushes out toxins, breaks down fat, and prevents liver overload, keeping your metabolism in check and your body feeling cleaner and healthier. But watch out for these side effects. Hibiscus tea lowers blood pressure, which is great for some, but risky if yours is already low. It also contains estrogen-like compounds, which could affect hormonal balance. While rare, some people experience mild allergies like itching or stomach discomfort. If you're unsure, start with a small amount. How to make hibiscus tea. Boil 4 cups of water, add 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus petals, and steep for 10 to 12 minutes. For extra flavor, toss in cinnamon or ginger. Strain, sweeten with honey or agave, and add a squeeze of lemon or lime. Enjoy it hot or over ice for a refreshing twist. 1 cup of hibiscus tea a day can boost your heart, skin, digestion, and metabolism. But like anything, listen to your body and enjoy it in a way that works for you. Have you tried hibiscus tea? What benefits did you notice? If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below.